my classroom of scholarly students, all waiting to hear what I have to say. Stuck at work in a blizzard. Let's finish the video today. Good evening, class. Today I'd like to talk to you guys about the psychology of positive thinking and what that can do and how that can change your life. For my first reference point, I'm going to be using the critically acclaimed book and movie series, The Secret. The whole basis of The Secret is the theory of attraction. Now, the theory of attraction states that with initiative, optimism, and faith, one can attain anything their heart desires. What that means yet is a bit ambiguous, but we'll get more into it as we keep talking. Now, a critical question you want to ask while watching this movie as a scientist is, does this series hold scientific merit? Is there evidence to base off of? Of course. So, what this movie does well is reference a lot of different specialists and analysts, all who claim to be secret teachers, or people who have attained the power of the theory of attraction and have seen it succeed in their lives. Now, I did a little bit of research on each of these three. Dr. Joe Vitale, Bob Proctor, and Reverend Dr. Michael Beckwith, all who claim to have been affected and positively affected by the theory of attraction. Now, in the movie itself, I pulled out a few quotes that seem a bit too far-fetched to be real. For example, Dr. Joe Vitale, who is a metaphysician, still unclear from where he got his degree, stated, "You can have anything you want." Now, I highlighted the word "anything" because that word is just too vague, too open. It doesn't really apply to science. There's no definite anything. Bob Proctor, who is a philosopher, stated, and I quote, 1% of the population earns about 96% of the money being earned. Now, I write here no reference because there was absolutely no reference. I looked up the statistic. Didn't make much sense. It didn't show up anywhere except when Bob Proctor quoted it. And finally, the Reverend Dr. Michael Beckwith, who is a visionary, stated, "It always works. It works every time, with every person." Three key words, all of which state the same thing, that it's a guarantee. Nothing in science is guaranteed.